When first entering ArcFM, you want to make sure that you are in the correct database version for your editing session. To make sure you're in the right one, go to Stored Items, select DWNI Fiber DMS. Now we see the master database drawn on your screen. To get into the version that you need, go up here to SDE Default, right mouse click, change version, look for the version that you want to edit. In this case I'm doing SPP1 to Airport. You'll notice here that it shows the owners of each of these versions and whether they're public. Click OK. Now the map should change, and you'll see up here that this changes to my version, and you'll see some extra elements show up on the map down here. Now I have set custom views on this. I'll show you how to do this later, but I want to edit view Capitolio and Sacramento. I click on that and it will zoom me into my workspace. So now you see the edit area that I'm working on in this version. And what happens when you change to your stored item here is it defaults to whatever your settings were on the display over here. So I had turned off Google Earth layers, and I don't have Bing Maps Hybrid showing. So this way you can kind of set up your workspace, store it, and when you come back in to edit, choosing your stored view will bring you back to all those settings. Now to start editing, I need to go to Editor, say Start Editing, click OK, and then I want to bring up my attribute editor by clicking on this icon. Attribute editor showed up on my other screen, and then to get to the elements that I can edit, I click on the features button over here. We'll see our system files. So these are custom-made elements that we can put into our drawings. These are some that I created for myself that I will convert over, and then these are the ones that are out of the box. So that gets you set up in your development environment. Now to add a cable, I click on this. It will show up on the target side. And any other elements that I want to use in my drawing, I can just start loading my targets. And this targets is essentially your palette for doing your drawing. That ends this session.